Hey, hope you're doing fine. This is Eva and you're watching The Casual Bit. Well, there is one question. Do you enjoy right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies? Well, if the answer is yes, congratulations, you are living in India. And if the answer is no, well, we are still living in India. Anyway, there is this right to information that comes under right to freedom, freedom of speech, freedom of expression, which has been under trial lately. Now, what opposition and activists have to say about it and also how government defends this bill. There are a few questions to be answered in the short video, so let's get into it. So answering question number 1, what is RTI Act? Well, the law came into force on 12th October 2005. Under RTI Act 2005, public authorities, which include government bodies like ministries, public sector undertaking, and other government-funded organizations, are required to disclose information whenever a citizen like you and I make a request regarding their financial information, the functioning, structure, duties, and power of its officers, and other records. Remember the degree cases? Yes, exactly. So as to maintain and promote the transparency in the working of public authorities. Now, the original act versus the proposed act. So basically, the changes are introduced in Section 13 and Section 16 of RTI Act. 13 deals with center and 16 deals with state. So number 1, according to RTI Act of 2005, the state and central information commissioners, like chief information commissioners and information commissioners, they currently hold the position for 5 years. But the amendments want the term to be prescribed by the center. Second, according to the original act, the Chief Information Commissioner was paid as much as Chief Election Commissioner. And who comes under them are the Information Commissioners, who were paid as much as Election Commissioners. Okay, so this bill seeks to change this, where salaries and allowances of the CIC, that's Chief Information Commissioners, and IC's Information Commissioners would be prescribed by the center. Third, the Act stated that if CIC or IC receives a pension at the time of appointment, then it will be reduced from their salaries. But according to the amendment, this provision has been removed. Now, answering third question, what is government justification? So they say, why compare ECI and CIC? Where ECI is a constitutional body mentioned in the Constitution of India, and Information Commission is a statutory body made by Parliament under RTI Act 2005. Hence, their salaries, allowances, terms and services should be changed accordingly. Secondly,
सेंट्रल इंफॉर्मेशन कमीशन और इंफॉर्मेशन कमीशनर का दर्जा कर दिया चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर और इलेक्शन कमिश्नर के बराबर, और वो इन टर्न हो गया सुप्रीम कोर्ट के न्यायाधीश जज के बराबर। और इनकी जो वर्डिक्ट है, जो जजमेंट है इंफॉर्मेशन कमीशन की, उसको चैलेंज किया जाता है हाई कोर्ट में। तो क्या कभी ऐसा सुना है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज के मुकाबले का कोई फैसला है और उसको चुनौती दी जा रही है लोअर कोर्ट में? तो
also they said that they wanted to have a provision for government to make rules in this act, so that's what they are doing without affecting the autonomy and the originality of the RTI Act 2005. But what are the real concerns? They say it is an effort to bring CIC under the absolute control of central government. And for the type of services they provide, they need to be neutral and independent. But this won't be reality anymore, because once center government decides everything from their salaries, allowances, term, how will they remain unbiased anymore? And remember the provision of pension which is removed under this amendment, which means now if any information commissioner will go in favor of government, they might get their pension as well as the salary. So yes, these are the real concerns that bother. How will these independent bodies which empower citizens of India will be independent no more? Well, that was all about today's video. I know it got delayed, but for more insight you can watch BJP's Jitendra Singh, Union Minister, how he defends the bill, and also Shashi Tharoor from Congress, how he opposes the bill. Well, now the key is in the hand of President whether he signs or not. If you like this video, make sure to share it with your people. Until next video, stay woke.